Singing Radiohead at the top of our lungs, with the boombox blaring as we're falling in love. Gotta follow whatever, but it's getting us drunk, singing here's to never growing up. Call up all our friends, go hard this weekend. For no damn reason, I don't think we'll ever change. Meet you at the spot, 10:30. We don't ever stop, and we're never gonna change. Stay, won't you stay forever? Stay, if you stay forever, hey, we can stay forever young. And singing Radiohead at the top of our lungs, with the boombox blaring as we're falling in love. Gotta follow whatever, but it's getting us drunk, singing here's to never growing up. We'll be running down the street and kiss my. I'm like, yeah, whatever, we're still living like that. When the sun's going down, we'll be raising our cups, singing here's to never growing up. Oh, 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 oh. Here's to never growing up. Oh, 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 oh. Here's to never growing up. We live like rock stars, dance on every bar. This is who we are. I don't think we'll ever change. They say just grow up, but they don't know us. We don't give up, and we're never gonna change. Stay, won't you stay forever? Stay, if you stay forever, hey, we can stay forever young. Singing Radiohead at the top of our lungs, with the boombox blaring as we're falling in love. Gotta follow whatever, but it's getting us drunk, singing here's to never growing up. We'll be running down the street and kiss my. I'm like, yeah, whatever, we're still living like that. When the sun's going down, we'll be raising our cups, singing here's to never growing up. Oh, 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 oh. Here's to never growing up. Oh, 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 oh. Here's to never growing up. Say, won't you stay forever? Stay, if you stay forever, hey, we can stay forever young. Singing Radiohead at the top of our lungs, with the boombox blaring as we're falling in love. Gotta follow whatever, but it's getting us drunk, singing here's to never growing up. We'll be running down the street and kiss my. I'm like, yeah, whatever, we're still living like that. When the sun's going down, we'll be raising our cups, singing here's to never growing up. Oh, 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 oh. Here's to never growing up. Oh, oh, oh. Raise your voice and say, here's to never growing up. Oh,
Oh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates, but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. The way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. You're my peace of mind in this crazy world. You're everything I've tried to find. Your love is a pearl. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies. And my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. The world will turn and the seasons will change, and all the lessons we will learn will be beautiful and strange. We'll have our fill of tears, our share of sighs, and my own.
Magandang gabi po sa kanila lahat, families and friends. Of course, welcome to La Maharica Hotel and Restaurant, where we are about to have the debut celebration of your one and only Jen for this evening. Muli po magandang gabi sa kanilang lahat. The name is Sebastian and I shall be your master of ceremonies para po sa gabing ito. So para sa mga bisita ni Jen, just sit back, relax, and of course, please enjoy the show because in the next few moments of our get-together, our lovely debutante will be serving you with some of our debut traditions para sa gabing ito. So hindi na po natin patatagalin pa. Ladies and gentlemen, we now officially and formally welcome you to Jen at 18. How about a big hand? Palakpakan naman po tayo dyan. Nako, sa sobrang... Come on, Nani. Dito tayo sa gitna. We would like to ask everybody to please stand up. Lahat po tayo, come on. All together now. As we welcome the girl on fire, ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Jen Krebs. Daddy, ngayong legal age na si Jen. Unang tanong, legal na ba magka-boyfriend si Jen? Siyempre yung microphone niya, abot ko kay Daddy. Diba? Sige Daddy, push mo yan.
Bite my tongue and hold my
Hindi, nasa kanya yun.
Okay. Naku, may sabi nga nila, with great power comes great responsibilities. Pwede po. Mami, pwede na ba magka-boyfriend si Jen?
Pwedeng-pwede na. Kasi ang pagbo-boyfriend kung minsan hindi naman inspiration sa pag-aaral. Yung basta hindi niya pababayaan ng pag-aaral, pwede na rin.
So sa mga boys po na bisita ni Jen ngayong gabi na nagbabalak, yan, sige, pagplanuhan nyo na ng maayos yan. Now, please remain standing for the opening prayer, and together, let us feel the presence of God Almighty Santo.
Our Heavenly Father, we praise and glorify you for giving this very special day para po kay Jen. Also, sa lahat po ng kanyang her and with us tonight, naway pagpalain niyo po ang bawat isa sa kanila. Also, as for the food that we are about to receive, all these we ask in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. In the name of the Father and of the Son.
Bago ko po pakawalan si Daddy, Mami, tingin ako take your seat. Thank you po. Bago ko po pakawalan si Daddy, abay, kind hand for Daddy.
Sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga kaibigan, mga kamag-anak na nakarating.
Pag umiyak pare, tuloy mo lang.
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Konti pa, bossing.
Huwag na, ako na yun.
Sige! Huwag kang maiyak! Ngayon na! Wala kang trip na yan!
Hindi, basta papasalamat po yung buong pamilya ko. Nagpapasalamat po sa inyo lahat. Maraming po salamat.
With some of our debut traditions for this evening. So hindi na po natin patatagalin pa. Let us have our first debut tradition for this evening, our traditional 18 roses. Now, as for the members of our 18 roses, as I get to mention your respected name, kindly stand up, pick a rose, and have this privilege.
Something to say.
Sayaw. Harap dito. Ba't ganyan?
Nasa na po si Norman Gonzalez?
Okay, sayaw dito.
Ayos po. Habang hindi pa po
Camera.
nakakarating yung susunod, wag po muna natin iiwanan yung ating diputado.
Ay, angka.
Just like before. And baby, someday might just find a way, and we can love forevermore.
Now this time, a big hand for Mr. Christian Gonzalez.
Huwag iwanan.
I would have never let you go. You would still be mine. But here I
Pogi, sayaw dito, Pogi.
all of the love we shared, all of the time you were there. I just wanna love you forevermore. And I wanna hold you just like before.
Families and friends, put your hands together for Mr. Zandrex Reyes.
We can love forevermore. I've been something I could believe in, and looking for that magic rainbow on the horizon. I couldn't see it until I let go. Gave in to love, watched all the bitterness burn. Now I'm coming alive, body and soul. Feeling my world start to turn, and I'll taste every moment and live it out well. I know this is the time. This is the time to be more than a thing, or reason to cry.
daw.
Big hand for Mr. Bon Chu.
Huwag mo na iwanan ha.
Ganyan talaga.
Jen, Jen.
Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day.
Jen, atras kayo konti papunta doon. Sige, atras.
I know
Arin mga gamo-gamo iwasan natin.
your face. There's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Janelle or Janelle.
stops and stares for a while, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. Oh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair is perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. Don't even bother asking if you look okay.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Nico Bangis.
I met you, settled down, met you, found a boy and you married now. I heard that your dreams came true.
O, dito naman.
Guessing things I didn't give to you. Oh friend, why you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue.
This time po, we welcome Mr.
Couldn't stay
Israel
away.
Bangis.
I couldn't fight it. I hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find
Jen.
someone
Jen.
like you. I wish nothing but the best for you
Okay.
too. Don't forget me, I bet. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Next po, we have Mr. Peter Gulo.
You know how the
Jen, matras ka pa.
time flies. You're my peace of mind in this crazy world. You're everything I've tried to find. Your love is a pearl. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow.
Mr. Alvin Thomas.
You'll always be beautiful in my eyes. The world turns and the seasons will change.
Yeah.
And all the lessons we will learn will be beautiful and strange.
This time po, we welcome Mr. Bobby Bumadil.
We'll have our fill of tears, our share of sighs. My only prayer is that you realize will always be beautiful in my eyes. You will always be beautiful in my eyes. And the passing years will show you will always grow ever more beautiful in my eyes.
Next on my list, we have Mr. Raul Manadili.
Going back to the corner where I first saw you. Gonna camp in my sleeping bag, I'm not gonna move. Got some words on cardboard, got your picture in my hand, saying, if you see this girl, can you tell her where I am? Some try to hand me money, they don't understand. I'm not broke, I'm just a broken-hearted man.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Terry Ordonez.
Can I do? How can I move on when I'm feeling weak? Thinking maybe you'll come back here to the place that we meet. And you'll see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. So I'm not moving. I'm not moving.
Yen. Yen. Yan. Smile.
This time, we welcome Mr. Roy Amberlin Camacho.
Someone I'm waiting for, take more than you. Gotta stand my ground, even if it rains or snows. If she changes her mind, this is the first place she will go. 'Cause the way you wake up,
Yen. Yen.
you want us to wonder where all the sun will be. Maybe you'll come back here to the place that we meet. You'll see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. I'm not waiting on the
Badit dyan! RG!
Moving forward, we have Mr. Carlos Reyes. So this time, let us all welcome kauna-unahang lalaking minahal po sa tanan ng buhay ni Jen. Families and friends, let's give it up for her proud father. We have Daddy Arnold John.
There's two things I know for sure. She was sent here from heaven, and she's daddy's little girl. As I drop to my knees by her bed, she talks to Jesus, and I close my eyes, and I thank God for all of the joy in my life. All but most of all, for butterfly kisses, had to let time drag, still little white flowers all up in her hair. Walk beside the pony daddy, it's my first ride. I know the kid looks funny daddy, but I sure tried. Oh, with all that I've done wrong, I must have done something right to deserve a hug and butterfly kisses at night.
Once again, a big hand for the proud members of our 18 Roses. Palakpakan po natin sila.
I was captured the morning man, carried away with every word you said. It's a mystery how you got to me. I fell in the spell of your charms. With your siren smile, you caught me off guard. Just one glance took away my breath, and you drew me in with your tenderness. You captivate my soul. I'm raptured. You knocked me out, you locked me up, you stole my heart like a thief at love. Keep me here in your happy ever after. I'm captured.
I'm captured.
I'm captured.
By the way, just in case you care, I'm here to stay, I'm not going anywhere. I took a dive in your deep dark eyes, and I'm never coming up for air, no. Lost myself in this bond that we share.
One sweet kiss took away my breath, and you drew me in with your tenderness. You captivate my soul. I'm raptured.
I'm enraptured.
You knocked me out, you locked me up, stole my heart like a thief at love. Hold me tight and you're happy ever after.
Now you've got the best of me.
No one else could hold the key.
I'm captured.
She's a quiet and open who wait for us somewhere. It's a time for us. Someday there'll be a time for us. Time together. Someday, somewhere.
Sa dami-dami.
Thank you, Jan.
Go, F. Nagets mo.
Kasi yung mga magagaling kumanta na hihiyang kumanta.
Ah, okay.
Kaya hindi ako mga...
Welcome back to the second part of our debut program para sa gabing ito. And let's also welcome back Jen. Palakpakan mo natin si Jen, guys. Alright. I really can't believe she's only 18 and kakad niya. Sige, you may take your seat. Mamaya kontra tayo kita gawin dito beautiful. Now, on to our next debut tradition treasures. Now, para po sa mga members ng ating 18 treasures, as I call your name, kindly stand up po. Pakidala po yung... Right? So, to formally begin our 18 treasures, please put your hands together for Miss Marvina Baclis. Kay Mami Baclis po, kay Mami Vina. Palakpakan po natin.
May ibibigay kay Jenny sa gabing ito ay siya ay inihambing ko sa isang kapirasong tela o ang panyo. Dahil ang panyo ay alam kong ito ang magpupunas sa lahat ng hirap at pawis ng kanyang mga magulang. Siya ay magiging panyo ng kanyang mga magulang. Dahil sa hirap nila, siya titingnan lang nila ngayon. Dahil kahapon, kung kailan ilang araw ang ama niya ay hirap na hirap para lang sa paghahandang ito. Ngayong nakikita ng ama niya na siya ay ganyang masayang masaya, napunas at napawi lahat ng kanyang pagod. Salamat po.
Uy, well said. It's Cecilia Jacla. Next po, we have Miss Gloria Krebs. Yun po pala si... Okay, pinapasabi po ni Mami, wag na raw po siya magsalita. Sige, granted. On to our next member po, big hand for Miss Gloria Krebs.
Sana stay as kung ano ka ngayon, very sweet, mabait na bata, at sana matapos ka sa yung course na kinuha, mahal na mahal ka ng parents mo. Yung treasure ko walang balot eh. Sabi nila, money buys everything. Ito, pag natapos ka sa pag-aaral mo, makakamtan mo ito, pero ang kailangan naman, kahit may pera ka, gagasusin mo sa tamang pamamaraan.
Well said, Mami Gloria. Siguro si Mami Gloria nung bata-bata naman siya, member siya ng isang banda. Ang ganda ng boses. Kumakanta ka, Mami? Sample naman dyan, Mami.
Mamaya, let's go to the
Sige, mamaya, duet tayo. Next po, big hand for Sir Johnny Fernandez.
Happy birthday, Jen. Yung treasure ko kasi, hindi ko na paghandaan eh. Kasi nagmamadali din ako kanina. Galing trabaho. So, ang ibibigay ko ngayon sa'yo, money na lang. Ikaw na ang bahala. Yun lang. Salamat.
Uy, dear, 30% ako dyan, ha? Alam mo na yan. Thank you so much, sir. Next, we have Miss Nerisma Dagyo. Palakpakan po natin si Miss Nerisma Dagyo. There you go.
Jen, happy birthday. Hindi lang para sa message ko, pati sa papa mo. Una, yan ang pili ko para sa to ensure your safety every time you travel here to Baguio. Tapos sa pangalawa, sa papa mo, Arnold, 18 na siya, so alam mo na, allowed na siya mag-boyfriend.
Daddy, nasan ka dyan, Daddy? Huwag ka magtago sa halaman ng Daddy.
Para ma-enjoy niya yung teen lives. Thank you.
Yun, thank you so much, Mami. Nag-abala ka masyado. Ako ba wala? Next po, we have Miss Maria Cristina Garcia.
Happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best. I chose these things kasi alam ko, a lady can't go out without these things. Happy birthday again.
Ay, parang alam ko kung anong laman niya.
Now, moving forward, a big hand for Miss Myla Season, everybody. Palakpakan po natin si Miss Myla. Okay. Yung totoo po. Sure na ba tayo? Okay. Pacheck yung attendance, ha? Also, moving forward, a big hand for Mr. Prudencio Nicolas. Next, we have Miss Inocencia Cruz.
Na, sana daw balang araw sa pagsisikap mo, magkaroon ka ng marami pang ganito. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Mami. Next po, we have Miss Marjorie Camacho.
Actually, hindi ito galing sa akin. Representative din ako. Galing ito kay Tita Joy. Pinapabot niya sa'yo na dito may susulat mo ang bawat kabanata ng iyong buhay at sana sa last page nito, pagdating ng araw, nakamit mo lahat ang mga pangarap mo. Happy birthday, Jeremy.
Thank you so much po for that wonderful treasure. Moving forward, a big hand for Miss Mirna Doctor. Talaga nakatingin ka ako. Baka nag-rounds po si Miss Mirna Doctor. Next, we have Miss Linda Chan. Sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Moving forward, the big hand for Miss Julie Romero. Next, we have Mr. Ronald Ubaldo. And finally, once again, a big hand for the proud members of our 18 treasures. Palakpakan po natin sila. Wait lang, bibilangin ko kung 18 pa. Members of our treasures, kindly stand up po. Picture taking tayo. Kasama si Jen dito sa harapan. Go, go, go!
Yeah, I'm ready. Nobody else I'm ready. 1, 2, get ready. Come on.
At my count, ready? 1, 2, 3! New tradition for this evening, we shall now have our much-awaited 18 candles. Now, as for the members of our 18 candles, as I call your name, kindly stand up, light a candle, and of course, your wish or wishes for our debutant for this evening. Okay? So let's begin our traditional 18 candles with Miss Clarice Ordonez.
Birthday, Jen. Happy 18th birthday. So, yung wish ko lang, isa na matapos pag-aaral mo, makagraduate ka, tapos yung wish mo, na sana magkaroon ka ng nakapangasawa mo, is...
Agad! Nasaan si Daddy?
Nakapangasawa mo na blue eyes, para naman magkaroon ako ng pamangkin at Tisay at Tisoy, yun lang.
Hanap ka, kung hindi daw blue eyes, bilan mo ng bot. Ito na.
Happy birthday, Kev. So, first may joke muna.
Pangalay ka.
Anong apelyido ni Sky? Flakes. Thank you, tumawa ka. So,
Sa'yo, Krebs, happy birthday. Stay strong, stay sexy, stay pretty, and stay humble every time. So, wini-wish ko na sana matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo. Mahanap mo yung right guy for you, yung magmamahal sa'yo ng totoo. At lagi lang ako nandito nakasuporta para sa'yo. At saka, yan, happy birthday. I love you very, very, as in super, I love you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Joanna. Palain mo nga naman, may apelido pala sa Skype. Okay, moving forward, a big hand for Miss Christian Joy Ramirez.
Happy birthday, Krebs. Sana stay humble, stay pretty. Mag-diet na tayo, please lang. Tapos, pick the right choices at the right time. God bless.
Thank you so much, Joy. Moving forward, a big hand for Ms. Shaira Mara Cachero.
Hi, Be. Happy birthday. Kasi pinapagawa sila sa akin. Sige. Hello po, ma'am. Good evening. I'm your student nurse for today. I'm Shaira Mara Cachero. Pasensya na, Be. Saglit.
Sige, go lang.
Wag na yun.
Go na.
May knock-knock na lang ako.
Sige, knock-knock. Ay, knock-knock. Ako yung nag-knock-knock. Ano na?
Supplies.
Supplies po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Asan yung supplies?
Supplies! Gusto ko lang sabihin na ngayong 18 ka na, legal age, sana lahat ng mga decision mo sa buhay, pag-isipan mo mabuti para hindi mo siya pagsisihan in time. Saka, pag nag-aaway tayo, pasensya na, once lang naman yun. Tsaka medyo stress kasi yung course. So, thank you, Be, sa lahat. Alam mo naman na andito lang kami para sa'yo. Tsaka, kung anumang problema meron ka, pwede mo kaming lapitan anytime. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, Binibining Supplies. Moving forward, a big hand for Rainiel.
Lapit na po, madam.
Hi, Krabby. Happy 18th birthday. Magna-knock-knock na lang din ako. Ano yan? Knock-knock. Who's there? Hatch. Hatch who? Bless you. Thank you. Ay, alam mo na yan eh.
One more. Push!
Wait lang. Ano ba yun? Ewan ko.
Pick up line.
Nasa bahay, nakalimutan.
Ano ba? Dina Bonnevie, Gary V. Dina Bonnevie, Gary V who? Dina Bonnevie, my lover. Gary V with my friends. So, yun. Happy 18th birthday, Krabby. Thank you. Thank you for being there for us dun sa 2 years na pinagsama natin sa nursing. Tapos, we're really looking forward to still being your friend throughout this lifetime. Tapos, sa lahat ng problema mo or masaya ka man malungkot, you do remember na we're always here for you. So, di ka namin iiwan, tapos nandito lang kami every time you need us. Tapos, may God bless you in what you wanted to do in your life, and may you be able to reach all your dreams. And we'll always be here beside you no matter what. So, we love you very much. God bless you and your family.
Thanks so much, dear. Next, a big hand for Miss Kinrich and Dagi.
Happy
ate. Say hi to legalization. Make right decisions lagi. May the man of your dreams find you already. Just kidding, Tito. Love you, ate.
Thank you so much, dear. Also, big hand for Miss Jessa Jacla.
Your lipstick stain.
Because wish you all the best and more birthday to come.
Nak. Push.
Pag-aaral, yun lang. Happy birthday.
Walang nak. Okay, thanks so much, Jessa. Next.
Jen? Sana matupad mo mga pangarap mo at makapagtapos ka rin ng pag-aaral. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Love you, Cass.
I love you, Kaz, too. Love you, Kaz. Also, please put your hands together for Miss Lindsay Cabrera.
Ate Jen, ang wish ko sana maging success ka someday and then sana kahit makatagpo ka na ng right guy, still ang tatay mo pa rin ang number 1 sa puso mo.
Meron akong tatlong joke. Sige, ano yung first? Sabi mo tatlo. Hindi magkakasabay yun eh. Go. Joke.
Kumain na siya.
Okay, sige na. Seryoso na. Krebi, advance happy 18th birthday. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa'yo for the friendship and thank you for everything na nagawa mo sa akin. Thank you for making me happy and everything. Yes. Ang wish ko lang is sana makatapos tayo ng nursing. Siyempre, sama mo ko. At sana rin matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. I wish you all the happiness in the world and I love you.
Love you too. Hey, Ate Jen. Sana maabot mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Lahat na sabi na nila, happy birthday na lang.
Okay. Also, we have Miss Alicia Marie Camacho.
Hey, Ate Jen. Sana maabot mo lahat ng pinapangarap mo. 18 ka na, hindi na tayo makapag-selfie gamit ang replica. God bless.
Thanks so much, dear. Also, we have Miss Raquel Manalili.
Wish ko all the best for you and success in your life.
Thank you so much po. Also, we have Miss Liz Bagnis.
18 ka na, no? Pwede na daw mag-boyfriend pero tapusin mo ng pag-aral mo. Para pagkatapos dyan, yung sabi mo mag-medicine ka, matupad mo rin. Happy birthday, love you.
Thanks so much po. Moving forward, we have Miss Bea Bagnis.
Happy birthday, Ate Jen. Sana matapos mo pag-aaral mo. I love you.
Next, ladies and gentlemen, we have Miss Violet.
Wishing you a good health and successful career. Jen, don't let your heart rule over your mind. Always remember, that's why mind is located above our heart, so that we can think first before we consider. Good luck, Jen, and God bless. I love you.
Well said, Miss Violeta, beauty queen of beauty queen. And also to complete our Asian candles, a big hand for Miss Abigail Perez. Ay, saving the best for last. Dapat matindi ang knock-knock 5 inches tall. Knock-knock ha, i-push mo yan.
Hi, Krebi!
Lapit mo kaya?
Happy birthday! Happy 18th birthday. May joke ako. Sige, ano yan? May mahaba akong joke pala. Ah, sige. Joke! Sige na. Uy! Happy birthday! Makabait ka, mag-aaral ka mabuti, tsaka, tsaka nalala mo ba yung, yung let her go? Oo. Gusto ko sabay tayo. Ah, sige, sige. yung let go yung dalawa.
Gusto ko yung ulan.
Ah, sige, sige. Uy, kuya, hindi yan. Ikaw na ba? 1, 2, 3, go. Let it go! Let it go! You only need the light when it's burning low. Let it go! Let it go! You only need the sun when it starts to snow. Yun lang, baka umulan na, masira pa tong gabi mo. Happy birthday!
Pwede kayo mag-guess kay Ann Curtis, ha? Once again, a big hand for the proud members of our 18 Candles. Palakpakan po natin sila. Girls, stand up. Okay, ladies, to your right now. Joke lang. Okay, walkie shot tayo, ladies. On my count in 3, 2, 1, go! One more time, back here. In 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, palakpakan po natin sila. Remain there. Okay, dito muna tayo, ladies. Ladies, dito muna tayo. Ayan. Daddy Arnold, nasan ka na? Please join us here in front as well. Nasaan na si Daddy? Ayun. And of course, at this point in time, I'd like to ask everybody to please stand up as well. Lahat po tayo. Lahat po tayo, guys, as we sing a very special birthday song para po kay Jen. Sabayan niyo po ako, ha? Hindi ako marunong kumanta ng happy birthday. Who sings in the group? Let me just hand over the microphone. Ay, oo nga. Power Belter, Rachel Ann. Oh, sige, push nyo yan, ha? Hilahin ko yung hair nyo kapag, Okay? Sabay-sabay po tayo, ladies and gentlemen. Kabado? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Faster this
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, happy birthday, Jen. Palakpakan po natin si Jen. Ladies, thank you so much. Job well done. Okay. So, as for the final stretch of our program para sa gabing ito, ayan, I'll be asking Daddy Arnold at si Jen to please approach your beautiful cake for this evening. Daddy Arnold? Salamat dun sa mga girlfriends ni Jen over there for a very beautiful rendition of that birthday song. Okay, so as for our last tradition for this evening, we shall be having our cake cutting.
Blow the cake.
This actually symbolizes
Blow.
Jen's way of saying thank you to her dad for always being there for her no matter what, for good, through good times and bad. bisita ngayong gabi? Sige, nguya-nguya muna pag may time. The microphone is all yours, dear.
Maraming salamat po dun sa pagpunta niyo po dito. Sobrang importante po sa akin ng gabing ito at dumalo po kayo. Maraming salamat. Thank you. We love you. I love you pala. Lahat kayo. Knock.
Puro kayo na ako.
Sige na, knock.
Who's there?
Wait lang, nakalimutan ko.
Wait lang, nakalimutan ko. Ay, hindi ba yun?
Wait lang. Ayun na. Melon, kangkong, mais, gulaman, talong.
Melon, kangkong, mais, gulaman, talong, who?
Melon akong mais, gulaman, maaari bang magtalong? Tawa naman, tawa. Sige na.
Joke.
Yan lang pa, thank you. Tata, I love you.
O, syempre, ito na rin natin. Daddy Arnold, please join us here in front. Palakpakan doon natin si Daddy. So, tingnan natin kung maluluha si Daddy ngayon. Daddy, your message for your daughter?
Ano lang, mag-aral mabuti, tsaka huwag lang mangarap. Kailangan lang butin yung pangarap. Yun lang.
Maraming salamat sa napakahabang mensahe mo, Daddy. And also to all the people who actually came here tonight just to be a part of Jen's debut celebration, please give yourselves a big hand. Palakpakan mo ninyo ang inyong mga sarili for making this event really special. Also, can include Jen in your prayers kasi ang journey niya towards womanhood has just begun. Okay, so hindi na po natin patatagalin pa. Ladies and gentlemen, in behalf of the handsome and lovely staff of La Maharika Hotel and Restaurant, this has been your host saying thank you so much. God bless. Good night, everybody. This ends our debut celebration for this evening. Please be safe on your way home.
Ano bang papabigat?
So fun, we got a man till I'm blah.
Open gift lang kami yan. Open gift.
Ay, best pa. Ay, okay na eh. Medyo bet na. Tapos pagka
Yes, yes.
I know something now I didn't before. And all I've seen since 18 hours ago is green eyes and freckles and your smile in the back of my mind, making me feel right. I just wanna know, you better know, you better know, you better now. I just wanna know, you better know, you better know, you better now. I just wanna know, you better know, you better know, you better now. I just wanna know, you know, you know, you. 'Cause all I know is we said hello, and your eyes looking like coming home. All I know is a simple name, yeah. Everything has changed. All I know is you held the door. You'll be mine and I'll be yours. All I know since yesterday, yeah, is everything has changed.
My walls stood tall, painted blue, but I'll take them down, and open up the door for you.
And all I feel in my stomach is butterflies, the beautiful kind, making up a